Switzer.
I'm Mrs. Moore, and we're here to show you or give you a couple of reminders about how to use our cameras. Alright, so here's a quick review. The buttons, the on and off, how to take a picture, or figuring out how to change the batteries. If you were to pop it open like this, pull, you should be able to see the batteries in here. In addition, the SB, or the card that will save everything. Another thing that is important that you guys know how to access is over here. By flipping this black thing, that's how you're going to be able to find or input the card in so you guys can start downloading all your pictures to the computer.
Okay, so I'm going to talk to you a little bit about some of the functions on the camera. At the very top, these two buttons, there's a zoom in and on the left a zoom out. At the top, your shutter button is the button you press when you want to take a picture. And it's really important to give a half press until you see that green rectangle, and then go ahead and take your picture. That'll help your image be in focus. The next button is the play button icon, and if you hit that play button, it'll show you the images that you've taken. You can scroll right and you can scroll left. Then if you hit that play button again, it'll take you back into camera mode. If you hit the flash, which is this lightning bolt, it'll give you the option to have an auto flash, or keep the flash on all the time, or no flash at all. But you have to make sure that whichever one you choose, you're actually hitting the center button, which is the function set, which is kind of like the enter key on your computer. Then down here is the trash can. Now, a lot of times kids want to delete a picture, but they're in camera mode and they hit the trash can and they're not deleting anything. What you're doing is you're actually setting a timer. And it gives you an option for 10 seconds or 2 seconds. It's a self-timer in case you're by yourself and you need to set something up, maybe taking a picture of yourself, and you don't need anyone else there with you. But if you want to delete a picture, you've got to go back to playback mode, then hit the trash can. From there, you can scroll over to erase, and it will get rid of the image you want to get rid of. If you go back to camera mode by hitting that play button, and right down here on the left is the mode button, from there you can go over to scene, and there are different options for taking indoor scenes or sunset, fireworks, aquarium, snow, and then the super macro, which is really awesome for really close-up detailed pictures. But don't forget to hit that function set. Did I miss anything, Mrs. Moore?
Nope, love it.
All right. Okay, so now that we've done a quick review on how to use the camera, here's your assignment.
You're going to be working with a small group, and your objective is to take pictures of principles of design. It's totally okay to go back into your sketchbook and take a look at what the principles of designs are, or to review if you don't quite understand what your assignment is. But before we send you out, we want to make sure that we show you a couple examples of what other students have done to be successful in this project. All right, you guys, good luck.
And have fun.
So this